Total loss. Worth saving? Watch the full recovery. This might be the worst case I've ever seen. This car was completely submerged in a flood, and the interior isn't just dirty, it's fossilized. The mud has baked into every crack of the leather and dashboard. We aren't just detailing today, we are excavating. Step 1 is literally shoveling the earth out of the driver's seat. The initial rinse, once the heavy debris is cleared, we bring in the water. But water alone won't touch this. We need to rehydrate the mud to get it moving. I'm using a brush to agitate the dashboard vents and steering column. It looks messy now, but we have to get this sludge liquid again to flush it out. Foaming the interior time for the heavy artillery. I'm coating the entire dashboard and steering wheel in a thick cleaning foam. This lifts the dirt particles from the plastic. Watch as the white foam instantly turns brown. It's going to take multiple passes with the brush and the hose to find the black plastic underneath all that clay. Strip down and exterior blast, we can't save the interior with the components installed. The seats have to come out. While those are prepping, I'm blasting the door cards and the trunk liner. The pressure washer is the only tool powerful enough to cut through this caked-on layer. Carpet and seat prep back to work. The floor mats are holding gallons of mud water. We flush them until the water runs clear. Now, for the seats. These leather buckets have taken a beating. I'm hitting them with a heavy degreaser and scrubbing deep into the pores of the leather. Leather restoration, repair, cleaning isn't enough for these seats. The leather is cracked and worn. I'm applying a filler compound to the damaged areas, smoothing it out with a card. We dry it with a heat gun, then sand it down. We repeat this process until the surface is perfectly smooth and uniform. Leather painting now for the magic. We mix a color-matched leather dye and spray it onto the seats. This covers the filler and restores that rich, factory new tan color. It's hard to believe these are the same seats we pulled out of the mud earlier. They look brand new. Disassembly to truly sanitize a flood car, you have to go all the way. I'm removing the center console, the gear shifter, and the entire dashboard frame. The carpet is completely ruined, so that's getting ripped out too. We're stripping this car down to its bare metal skeleton. Exterior reveal while the interior dries. Let's see what color this car actually is. The mud on the outside acts like a mask. A thick layer of snow foam clings to the dirt, and as we rinse it off, there it is, a vibrant, lime green paint job with a racing stripe. The paint was actually protected by the mud. Deep cleaning the chassis, now we tackle the yellow metal floor pan. Every inch needs to be scrubbed to prevent rust and mold smells later on. I'm using a detailing brush to get into the bolt holes and wiring harnesses. We rinse, scrub, and rinse again until the water flows completely clear. Reassembly begins. Everything is clean and dry. It's time to put the puzzle back together. New carpet goes in, followed by the dashboard and the center console. Snapping these trim pieces back into place is the most satisfying part of the job. Final touches: the restored seats are bolted back in. The door panels are reattached. The contrast between the bright green exterior and the fresh tan interior is striking. The result: listen to that engine, from a mud-filled disaster to a street-ready sports car. It took a lot of sweat and pressure washing, but this Tiburon is ready for the road again.